morning na ba? May mga tulog ang person.
I don't have
Alauna na. So, mga onta guys. Tanan! Diba? Burger.
No appointment.
Tsaka, french fries. Makdo yan. Tapos, here we go! May drinks tayo.
Last bite.
So, drinks tayo guys.
Pagluto.
Ito na to guys. Kaya magdaman yung tape guys.
Matanggal mo kayo.
Thank you.
Magkakul
Diba,
na.
pinadala mo kami ng 2K, tapos ang
So here's the answer.
sabi ako is
I
1.7.
took something from Porsche. The land deed to a mine worth billions. And I'm
Oh.
gonna get into the weeds here.
Ano,
Who exploited what.
ang nabayad
It's
ko eh,
not
400
blame
plus
game,
lang.
That's just a great
Tatlo
took
kami.
it. Oh, you need to pay for it.
Oh,
Is that
hindi,
simple?
5.
Just give us the money, $250 million,
Ba guys?
and Jorge will relinquish his
Sharon!
claim on the mine
Ano
and
mo
take
ganon?
no legal action.
Ang sarap guys.
$250 million is
So,
nothing to me.
wow.
I mean, quite frankly, I was prepared to
Burger.
be more generous.
Ay, french fries.
Yeah.
Sarap.
That I can't buy. It's not
Na,
about the
grabe
money.
ka. Gusto mo laasa ka.
I understand.
Meron naman ako.
I think
Oh.
too many lives have been lost on our land grab.
Grabe.
And if you can end this today,
Mm.
Mas matapon
Ay, 100!
You know what I love about the 4 o'clock caramel macchiato? Is I can count on it. I know it'll show up every day perfectly made. It's something I can trust.
Diba?
Boy, I tell you what, if I ever have to deal with some car, I want you across the table. I mean, you show up here, and you don't play the
Ang
same
sarap ka ng kinain mo
being
ba?
shot.
Kunyaway tulog-tulog.
Yes, you walk around in his dead wife's clothes.
Kung matulog ka ron, ano na ka oras?
I think you got a spastic. I want to give you money, but caramel macchiato reminds me of Marty Kriss cream. Don't trust anyone darker than your strength.
Mukbang pa.
Escort Dr. Della Rosa Sanchez out and ban her from the building.
have a great day, Mr. Heller.
Bye guys. Guys. Protein
So, what now? I have to pass the macchiato test? Roman is right. They don't respect you, they don't fear you. You're not going to know. What are you going to do? Carjack an armored truck full of gold bars? Come on. Boy, in theory, I just have to hold a gun. You're going to get yourself killed. People are getting killed already. This whole
Akala ko,
family.
musabay mo doon
I don't know
kasama
something
nyo.
if he's
Does it have to be gold bars?
Sakay.
If it doesn't have to be gold bars, then you don't need a gun. You just need a
Kasama
gun.
ko guys.
Malicious software.
Hi Cassandra.
Hi.
Ah,
Today,
ba?
kumakain kami, McDo.
Diba?
All the money, all of the
Rock
world.
kami sa
99% of it.
we order McDo.
Yeah, that was my dream job. Do you want to see my feet?
Ang dami. Drink, burger,
Also, his name is pronounced Pung.
french fries.
Fine.
No.
Ano yan? Umaga na diba?
Hindi, gabi pa.
Gabi pa alauna. Umaga na kadlawon na sa muak.
I'll get that drive into a computer port on the
Oh.
The
Mga
virus
unta guys.
to use a network to replicate
Si Maklita. Dudaan.
And you can find a room where the computer manufacturer and all of his businesses
Char.
shut down.
Casinos,
Corn your calorie
factories, the
kita
mines.
dito bukas.